Alright, so I'm here on this beautiful winter day. It's about 60 degrees. This is my first outing for 2019. Hopefully I can get on some fish. I'm just probably going to be using soft plastics today. I'm at this little creek in Huntsville that I think it's about 4 or maybe it's like about 7 miles from my house. It's been raining probably for about a month on and off up until recently. Hopefully the winter doesn't last too long and it's a lot milder than Maryland. I'm going to be using this little 2-inch power bait shad swimming pogie, I think it's called. 2-inch pogie. Water level has risen significantly. It's been raining for about, I don't know, on and off probably for like almost a month now. What was once a slow moving creek is now moving pretty quickly. Hopefully I can catch something. I got about an hour and a half to kill. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Oh. That sucks. Well, broke off already within, what, 2 casts? Hopefully I can try this out for a few minutes. I don't get snagged, but yeah, I just switched to a beetle spin, a little 1/16 ounce. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this for a while. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's great. So I just gave about 10 minutes using this little beetle spin. I'm gonna go ahead and switch out baits. I did get 1 bite on this. However, after that, I'd probably spend another 10 minutes without getting a single bite. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch out now. Alright, so after 20 minutes, I still haven't been able to catch anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and move down and see if I can find a better spot and see if there's any fish swimming around. I did get 1 more bite, but I wasn't able to land anything. Oh, finally. Oh, wow. Big old creek chub. It's fish number 1, high size creek chub. Number 1, 2019. Let's let him go. Alright, so I switched out to these Impulse, and they're Impulse reactionary baits by Northland Fishing Tackle. So they are just, I don't know, they look like little pieces of worm or something, but that's what I caught my fish on. Yes. Oh yes, a little largy. Nice little bass, first bass of 2019. Just let him go. Yeah, I landed those first 2 fish real quick, and then after that I've been getting bites but haven't been able to land anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna switch to yet, but probably something small and plastic. So I decided to go back with that little beetle spin. I'm just using the little plastic body of it. I'm going to use this. It has a little bit more weight, so I should be able to cast a little bit more accurate. So I'm going to give this about 10 minutes and see if I can get anything.